So team, welcome to my new apartment. I'm going to show you an empty apartment tour, and also excuse this echo. There's no furniture or anything in here, so it's going to be a lot echoey right now. But yeah, I don't know, I'm pretty stoked, pretty happy with this. So let's take you through it. Okay team, so we come through the front door, and this is what we are greeted to. So I'm standing here, and then we have this really nice, super wide hallway. Hopefully it's showing the justice on camera. To give you an idea, those are my shoes. So it is super wide. When we come to the right, we have the room straight ahead. We come in and we've got this awesome, just marble sink. I'm not used to doing tours. And what I absolutely love is that the tap is actually on the side and not in the middle, which obviously most places are like that, which is great because now when I wash my face, I won't hit my head. So that is, for me, perfect. I think this is just so nice and clean, and this whole bit here is just glass. So I really like that. I'm not sure if everybody will. And then my first time ever having like a waterfall shower head, which I love. And this shower space is massive. Like, this is me in it. Boom. So you get to, I guess, see yourself naked when you're showering. So, you know, encourages body confidence. Then we come on to the bedroom. So this is the bedroom space. And then we have the wardrobe space. So this is the first cupboard. So obviously it is really nice and big and spacious, but I need more hanging space. So what I'm thinking of doing is either installing myself another one of these to go like a little bit lower down. So I've got 2 levels of it. This is where I can put all my folded stuff. So there's like a lot of space in there. And just so you know, this is very big. To give you an idea, like we've got one of me here, like 2, 3, like you fit 3 of me just standing in there. Back into the hallway area, we're gonna take a left. We're gonna take a right, and then we come in to the main amazing living space, which I absolutely just love. So again, hopefully it's doing it justice on the camera. So it's currently 4 p.m. and this place gets such an amazing sunset. So as time goes on, this light is just gonna get further and further in, and the sunset happens straight down there, which is amazing. And then as we rotate around, we have the beautiful kitchen space. Storage, and then we come into, finally I have a microwave. I haven't had a microwave for ages, and look at this. Look, this is like touch, I think. Wow. We see an oven, and then a fancy little wine fridge cooler, which will get no use at all. So that's super handy. There we have it. House tours and stuff isn't really like my thing, so hopefully you guys just could bear with it. Hold up, I'll close this door while I'm chatting. Hopefully that wasn't like too bad being taken through. I want to take you guys through like the whole process and keep you updated and stuff. I want to start doing some more like interior things and stuff like that. It's crazy, I'm looking at it here because I'm still so not used to it. Like this is probably, I think, like my second time coming here since viewing it. So I'm gonna go back to my old place and kind of like sit down and just go over all of this with you. But yeah, this is new place, team. So pretty cool. So I was gonna just check back in at my other place, but I'm here now, and I just felt like talking about it now. What I kind of like wanted to say is like, one is that I'm extremely like grateful to be able to like upgrade, and it's something I've worked extremely hard for. So if most of you know, like when I first moved from New Zealand to like London, I stayed at my first place for about, I think it was like three and a half years, like, and I could have moved out and upgraded from that place after the first year, and I just didn't. I was like, no, I'm gonna keep saving my money, and I kind of just sucked it up. And I didn't really enjoy being at the place that I was at originally. It was terrible for filming. I made it work, but it was like just terrible for it. I didn't like the place. I didn't really like anything about it, but I was still grateful to have that place. And yeah, I kind of just kept like sucking it up and being like, nah, it's worth it. And then it finally came to literally the start of when COVID happened. I moved out of there and moved into my first place. I never did like an apartment tour or anything of it, because I knew I wasn't going to be there that long as well. And that was a studio apartment. So it was my first time living by myself. And then after that, a place came up that is where I'm currently at, which is great. A great little location. For those of you who actually don't know, I was in the same building as Joel, so it was really nice. However, the place that I was in, it was just too small for what I do, for the content and stuff that I create and the filming I do. It was too small. Like, don't get me wrong, I can make it work, and I did make it work, and it was really nice living there. If I wasn't doing the job I do, it would be great, to be honest. It's so crazy to think that I moved from New Zealand not having a plan, not even having a plan of where to live, nothing like that, literally no plan. I was like, I'm just doing this. And to then go from building up my own like personal training business, like that's what I did before all of this stuff. I was a strength and conditioning coach. So I left my business that I had back in New Zealand to start completely fresh in the UK. And I did that. I worked my ass off, you know, building up my client base and everything. And then within building up my client base, started my YouTube channel. It's crazy to go from there and then to be here now. It's so wicked, and it's so wicked that a lot of you have come along with the journey. And what I want to do is a much better job at documenting this stuff, because it's like, I wish I did document that stuff beforehand. So that's what I'm going to do from now on, is I want to start like a diaries kind of thing on the channel, like showcasing a lot more. Like I'm starting like a clothing brand, like it's starting, and I don't want it to be something where it's like, oh guys, here's the clothing line. I want to show you guys it all. This is getting like real just deep and long, but these have just been stuff that's been on my mind a lot. And yeah, I want to do this more. I want to talk. I want to share my advice, share my experience on things, share how I'm feeling, and hopefully you lot can get some value from it as well. But the main point of this whole thing is that I'm extremely grateful to be here. To be honest, I'm just going to say I'm really proud of myself, because I know the hard work I've put in to be able to get to this spot right now. And yeah, so plenty of more hard work to come, and I really want to bring you lot along with me, and again, have more moments like this. So still a lot of fashion stuff, of course. I'll show you the outfit that I'm wearing today actually after this. But yeah, so I don't know, guys, thank you so much for all the support that you show on the daily. But yeah, team, that's our little catch up, eh? Let's break down this fit. It's crazy that I can do this and not need a backdrop or anything. But yeah, team, this is today's fit. So on top, we've got the Florence black shirt, which is sick and perfect for this kind of like summertime. Then we've got the weekday denim jeans from a while back. I haven't worn these for a while, but I really like them. And we've got the Bottega Veneta rubber sandals, and it's kind of like off-white cream color, and then the Prada tote bag as well, and then the ASOS cap as well. And that's it. Kind of like a smart casual outfit. Anyway, team, we got some cool fun adventures coming up, so I hope you stick around to watch them. But yeah, other than that, team, enjoy the rest of the day, keep dressing well, and I'll see you all next time. Peace.